Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install P2P payments using your credit card with PayPal. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Go to the PayPal website. Log into your PayPal account. If you don't have an account, click on Sign Up to create one. Once logged in, navigate to the Wallet section. Look for the option to link a credit card. Click on Link a debit or credit card. Enter your card information, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Make sure to include your billing address. After entering your card details, click Save. You should see your newly linked card in the Wallet section. To enable P2P payments, go to the Send and Request tab. Select the option to send money. Enter the recipient's email address or phone number. Input the amount you wish to send. Choose your credit card as the funding source. Add a note or message if you'd like. Review the transaction details. Click Continue to proceed. Confirm your payment by clicking Send Payment Now. You will receive a notification once the payment is sent. Check the Activity section to verify the transaction. Now you're all set to make P2P payments using your credit card with PayPal. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.